Alright. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Today, I'm going to try and get this tranny off and get it mounted on the stand. Maybe. Because I have to take the 2J off the stand. So, tranny, clutch. I don't know about the flywheel. I don't think I could do the flywheel on my own. But we're going to try. So, we're just going to dive in, I guess. This one's off. This one's off. Where's my pole at? Hello? There it is. That is not what I wanted to happen. It's not what I wanted to happen. Fudge. I might have just made this worse. Maybe. Not sure yet. Can I, maneuver this? Oh, my wood fell off. Fucking shit. Damn it. Fudge. I can't even, like... Please don't fall. That's fine. That's cool. That's cool. Can I take this off without it breaking my face? Okay, stay right there. Don't fall off here. Please don't fall off. I'm going to try to lower this down right on that, and then try and doesn't fall off. Break everything in its path, and we'll be fine. Okay, okay. This came out really bad. Damn it, this is so hard one person. What's up, son?
Come to hang out.
Here's the time to help me.
Oh, what do you need for swimming?
I almost had this off and then it fell back, so.
That's so funny. You hear the glass inside the door.
Mm-hmm.
You got a pair of gloves too.
Yeah, I'm not trying to. Fudge. Keep moving this pole. Ah. Okay.
So, what are you doing? What are we doing? What's the matter?
Just getting the tranny off. Literally, that's all I'm doing. But I'm back heavy because I moved the point, and then yeah, I was trying to position the wood under so I could freaking have this hold most of the weight when it falls, but it's not.
Did you? It's unbolted already, right?
Yeah, it's ready to come off.
You have this bolt holding it on still too.
Oh no,
this is just sitting
separate. Yeah, everything's good. This is ready to come out actually.
Let me figure out where I can grab this thing from.
Literally right here, and then back there. So.
It's already coming out. So
Yeah, it's literally almost.
Can you jack it up a little more, just to give me more space, because I can hold it, but I can hold it barely.
Like that, maybe?
Yeah, nothing's holding on to the transition, right?
No, I don't think so. I hope not. It was literally sliding out. It just didn't want to come out. And then I sat it back in. This thing's really heavy. Like the train. I think it's like near 100 pounds. Hold on, just
I have no grip on this. This is even more of a pain in the ass. Oh, no, I can hold these. Good. Good enough.
Just the dowels are really freaking old. This train's never been off in its life, so.
Good.
One side. That should be good.
It's only the center shaft that's in, so I need you to help me pull it because I don't want to put any weight on the shaft itself.
You want to pull it?
Yeah.
Okay. Work. Okay. Mission accomplished. You don't have space for that right now, so.
We could just leave it on here. We have to put the motor down first.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
I'm gonna just put it down right there. I'll leave these pieces of wood over here just to.
You can just drop that right at your feet. Like if you want to walk
No,
out
that's
of the way
alright.
and
Just
then just.
put it down first, just to make sure it doesn't do anything.
You might be able to just drop that wood.
Damn. Oh.
Just let the wood go. Yeah.
So where am I putting this now?
Literally on your feet. Like where your feet are, like in that little sack where your body is, you can just drop that right there. There's literally no space in there. So.
What are we doing with the training? I see you stripped the motor.
I just needed that off so I can get the clutch and stuff off.
Are you done? Are you done? Damn.
Yeah, it's gonna free me. It's not gonna fall though, but.
Yeah, I can't wait to get rid of the bus so we can fucking get this thing out of here already.
What?
I'm gonna practice my welding today. While we're here.
So you shaved?
Oh. Yeah. It's been 9 years I haven't gone babyface like this, so I wanted to. I don't know, I felt weird yesterday. I felt sick. Something told me I needed to like change. So I did this and it's, I don't know. It was definitely weird touching my face again and feeling it be this smooth. That's for sure.
Okay. Alright, yeah, so you can just drop that out of the way.
Alright, I'll start getting into documentation soon too. Because it's super important.
Yeah, just keep it in there like that. It's not going anywhere. That's fine.
That's what
I forgot to film my clothes, but so as I was getting the tranny off over there and stuff, the motor kind of fell over and spilled oil everywhere under here, and it was mad funny. So until next time, I'm gonna try and get all the gasket maker off and stuff. Not sure how well you guys can see, but I got this water block pretty much clean. I don't know what that is, but it won't come off. So. Just like something. I don't know. It won't come off. I'm gonna do the timing cover part, this top part. Oops. Top part, and then when I get it on the stand, I can do the oil pan because that looks gross, and I want to clean it. And yeah. Ow. Fudge. That'll just come down. That one came right off. What about this little side piece right here? Is that part of the look? No, it's not. Little pins down here. There's just some nastiness. Fudge. Oh, I gotta not cut this. I'm trying not to cut that. Guys, I'm about to slice right in fucking thing. Ow. Okay. Good. I can stay there, I think. Maybe. That's a freaking... I didn't see gasket ink on this. This looks like it just channels in. Because these gears have to get lubed, right? Because it's metal on metal rotation thing. Oh. Taking off the band anyways, but still. Alright, good. Still there. Okay. Ugh. Oh god, I forgot this is all oily. No, please. Thank you. Okay. Alright, so why is it there? It looks fairly clean. Maybe I can get a better... Fairly clean. Now I just gotta get it on a stand. But I can't take the 2J off the stand by myself because I'm weak. Sorry. Where's my phone? Okay, so I got all the surfaces I could that need to be cleaned. I gotta do the valve cover when I come back. But until I can get the 2J off the stand, because I need to put this on the stand so I can do the oil pan gasket and stuff. And then the tranny's dirty, nasty itself. How gross this is. But yeah, I gotta do that too. I gotta get the fork off. And yeah. Clutch kit coming. Not sure which one yet, but it's coming. Alright, until next time.